This is Jeff with All Around Auto Techs, working on a 2013 Cadillac SRX serpentine belt. The first thing we're going to do is get a Torx 30, get an extension. I use a gun, and then you're going to take this bolt off. It's right here. Unscrew this cap, pull this off, set it to the side, and you're going to take this air filter off, which this is a 8mm. Pull it out. You don't have to unplug the mass airflow sensor, just set it to the side. Set it to the side there. And then you have 1, 2, and then there's one hidden down here. To get to it, see inside here, you take this part off. Set that to the side. And you look down here. There's another one there. So, just like that. And just get the box out of there and we'll come back.